Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update WoW file drivers on Windows 11. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are quite a different method you can use when you want to update WoW file drivers on your Windows 11. So the easiest and fastest approach is to use your computer itself. Once you're connected to the internet, go ahead and then click on the start button, select settings. Once you selected settings, you want to go ahead and click on Windows Update. Now check for available Windows Update and make sure you download and install the latest Windows Update on your Windows 11. This is going to make sure you download all outdated drivers, including the WoW file drivers update on your Windows. And that way you want to use is go ahead and open the device manager. Just click on the start menu, search for device manager, and then click on open. Once you open device manager, hang on for the device manager page to open. Once it opens, then scroll down and expand networks adapter. Then locate your WoW file. You might see something like Intel wireless adapter or something similar to describe it. So once located the name of your WoW file, right click on it, click on update driver. Then you want to search automatically for the driver. Then if your driver is outdated, this is going to help you to search for the driver online and then install it. You can also click on search for updated drivers for Windows. And this is going to help to search for updated drivers straight away under Windows Update on your Windows 11. Now, if this one says your drivers is up to date, then that shows your WoW file driver is updated. You can also use this opportunity to check for other drivers update on the page, including your Bluetooth driver. And that's it. Once you've updated the WoW file driver, you simply need to close this. That is the device manager page. Click on the start button, click on power, and then restart your laptop. And that's all you need to do. So if you like this, don't forget to like, favorite, and follow for more Windows tips and tricks just like this.